In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Asana. If you're looking to streamline your project organization, tags can be a fantastic resource to help track, prioritize, and manage tasks more effectively. Let's dive right into it. First, start by logging into your Asana account. Open Asana in your browser or app and make sure you're signed in. Once you're in, the next step is to select a project. Navigate to the project where you want to apply tags. It's important to either pick an existing task or, if necessary, create a new task by clicking on the plus Add Task button. Once your task is ready, you'll want to locate the Tags section within the task pane. You can usually find this field right below the task description or somewhere nearby the assignee and due date. This is where you'll be adding your tags. Now, let's talk about adding a tag to a task. Click on Add Tag and you can type the name of an existing tag. If you're thinking of a new tag name, just type it in and press Enter to create it. What's great about tags is their flexibility. You can assign more than one tag to a task, which is exceptionally useful for tracking various attributes. For instance, you can label a task as High Priority, Marketing, or Client A, helping you to quickly identify its characteristics. Another great feature of using tags is the ability to filter tasks. To filter, head over to your project view or use the search bar. This allows you to use the filter function to see all the tasks that have a specific tag associated with them. Filtering by tags is particularly useful when you're tracking progress, prioritizing your workflow, or even when you're preparing reports. Moving on to tag management, you might find the need to rename or remove tags. You can do this by clicking on the tag. Here, you'll have the option to rename it to something more fitting or remove it if it's no longer needed. Consistency with tag naming can greatly enhance clarity across all your projects. Speaking of best practices, there are a few tips to keep in mind. Keeping your tags short and descriptive is a good starting point. Avoid having too many overlapping tags. Instead, focus on categories that will truly enhance your tracking capability. Lastly, try combining tags with sections, custom fields, and priorities for a more robust organization system. By following these steps and incorporating these tips, you'll be able to take full advantage of Asana's tagging feature, making your project management not only more organized but also more efficient. Thanks for tuning into today's video. I hope you found this instruction helpful and are now ready to optimize your projects